Hi everyone, so today's video is on this stunning Indian wedding guest makeup look, which is not that difficult to create at all. So if you want to know how I got this beautiful
First, I'm going to
Indian
fill
wedding
in
guest
my
makeup
eyebrows
look,
using the
then please
NYX
continue
Auto
watching.
Eyebrow Pencil in the shade dark brown. So I'm just creating a line under the eyebrow, and once that is done, I'm going to go over the eyebrow like so. And after that, I'm going to fill in any gap that I find in my eyebrow. Next, I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C12, and I'm going to use that as an eyelid base. And also, I'm going to shape my eyebrow using the same concealer wand. Once that is done, I'm going to blend out the product using a concealer brush. After that, I'm going to set that in place using a loose powder. Next, I'm taking the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to first pick up that brown shade. I'm using a blending brush here to blend the color throughout my crease. Next, I'm picking up a deep dark matte brown from the same palette on a precise pencil brush, and I'm going to create a halo shape on my eyes. So I'm applying that on the inner and outer corners of my eyes, and also whatever is left, I'm going to run that through my crease. Next, I'm picking up this beautiful shimmery pinkish champagne kind of a color. I'm just using my ring finger to dab the eyeshadow on the center of my eyelid. This way the eyeshadow is gonna get more pigmented and pop on the eyelid. To add some more glitter on the eyes, I'm taking this Wet n Wild liquid catsuit eyeshadow, which is in a liquid form. So I'm just dabbing that color on the center of the eyelid. Next, I'm taking a Rimmel kohl pencil. This is the Scandal Eyes Kohl in a black shade. So I'm first tight lining my eyes, and then I'm gonna go over on lower waterline and sort of on my lower lash line as well. Also, I'm going to create a rough line on my upper lash line. This step doesn't have to be neat because we're going to smudge that anyway. Next, I'm going to pick up that matte black shade from the same palette on an angled brush, and I'm just going to run that eyeshadow on top of the kohl pencil that I applied in the previous step. Next, I'm going to pick up a pencil brush and smudge that liner on my upper lash line, and this creates a beautiful soft smokiness on the eyes. Moving on to the face, I'm taking this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer water spray and spraying that on my entire face. Next, picking up an orange color corrector from LA Girl, and I'm going to color correct all of the pigmented areas such as my dark circles, the pigmentation around my mouth, and the acne marks on my face. I'm going to blend it out using a concealer brush. For foundation, I'm going to use a current favorite, which is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Cafe, and the number is 110. So I'm just going to dot that on my entire face. Now I'm going to go with a buffing brush from PAC and blend out all of the foundation. This foundation gives a very nice natural finish on the skin, and it gives about medium coverage. Next, I'm going to highlight underneath my eyes using the same Makeup Revolution concealer. So I'm going to create like an inverted triangular shape under the eyes. Apply that on the center of my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and also under the hollows of my cheeks. I'm going to take the same concealer brush that I used previously on my eyes, and I'm going to blend out all of the concealer. Cream contour, I'm taking the LA Girl Beautiful Bronze Concealer, and I'm going to apply that on the hollows of my cheeks, on my forehead, on the sides of my nose, on the center of my cupid's bow and under my lips, also on my jawline and under my chin. I'm going to blend out the cream contour using a Real Techniques contour brush. To set everything, I'm using the Faces Loose Powder in the shade Honey. I'm just using a light amount of powder to set my entire face. Next, for powder contour, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Ultra Contour Kit in the shade Dark, and I picked up a very deep shade from the palette, and I'm gonna set that cream contour in place. So basically, I'm just applying the contour powder wherever I did the cream contour. Moving back to the eyes, I'm gonna apply mascara to my top and bottom eyelashes. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, which is amazing. So this mascara gives a really fuller looking effect on my lashes. So I'm applying lots and lots of this to my upper and lower lashes. Then I'm gonna smoke out my lower lash line using the same matte brown shade on a pencil brush. So I'm just gonna run that color on my upper lash line and make my eyes look more smokier. For highlighter, I'm taking this Maybelline Gigi Hadid liquid highlighter first. So I'm just gonna tap that on my cheeks like so. I'm applying the remaining on the center part of my nose, my cupid's bow and chin. Now I'm taking a beautiful rose gold highlighter from Wet n Wild. This is the shade Crown of my Canopy, and I'm going to apply that to the tops of my cheekbone, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, also on the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone. For blusher, I'm going to use this beautiful plum blush from LA Colors. So I'm just popping that blush on the apples of my cheeks. Moving on to the lips, I'm taking the Rimmel Exaggerate lip liner in the shade Obsession, which is like a beautiful rosy kind of a color. So I'm just lining my lips first. And then I'm going to use two shades from MAC. One is a bright pink called All Fired Up. So first I'm going to apply the pink shade. Then I'm going to take Taupe, which is like a muted brown nude, and I'm going to apply that on my entire lips, and I'm going to create a really neutral pinky rosy kind of a shade. And on the center of my lips, I'm using a NYX lip plumper in the shade Pamela, and this gives a nice plumped effect on the lips. So that is the makeup look complete. Now I'm adding some accessories. These earrings are from a Instagram page called Tulua. I'll try and link the page on my description box, and also I added a pink bindi to complete the look. So yeah, that is the finished look.
today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Do give this video a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe for more such videos from me. You can follow me on my Instagram for more pictures of this makeup look. I post a lot of pictures on my Instagram, so do follow me there. And so yeah, that is it for this video. I hope to see you guys very soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.